video, I will show you how I prepare my hair for protective styling. I use the Felicia Leatherwood Detangler brush, Twist Assisted Straightening Blow Dry Cream, and Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. After my hair is washed and deep conditioned, I dry my hair for about 30 minutes to an hour with a turban. After that, I part my hair into 4 sections with hair clips and hair bands. I apply a detangler and start off with finger detangling, and then I go in with the brush starting from the end of my hair, working my way up to the root. After my hair is fully detangled, I apply the blow dry cream to the section. Then I set my dryer to the cool setting and work my way down the section, keeping the dryer parallel to my hair. Once my hair is about 50% dry, I change the setting to low and use that setting until the section is completely dry. If you have used this blow dryer, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. As you can see, the right side of my hair was poofy and not as smooth. That's because I was using the dryer sideways instead of straight up and down. This was my first time using this blow dryer. I didn't have any issues with my hair being pulled out or broken off. Because I wasn't preparing my hair to be flat ironed, I didn't care about how smooth or straight my hair was. I then went back over the right section using the dryer up and down, and it gave a more smooth finish. This dryer would be great for trims and stretching hair for twist outs and braid outs. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and like, and comment if you have any questions.